how the Excel feature works on the software. So run it, run the executable, and we'll open up and make sure you're in command request. So C18.3, C19.3. So from here, see software, you can be able to tear out the scale. So currently in gross weight mode, tear out scale. Now I'm in net weight mode, and I'll have 0, fluctuate a little bit, but you get the point. And I can switch units, pressing the units button, see in pounds. And if I want to save to an Excel sheet, write the manual log. You see, save date, time, weight. You can see an Excel sheet popped up here. I can do a couple more of these, 5. So now I can open up my Excel sheet. You can see I have 5 here with date, time, weight, and just added the graph over time so you can see what's happening. So, for example, let's say I delete this. You'll think, oh, I lost all the data for the first 5 trials because I deleted it. Well, no, if the software saves it, so I can actually keep going. Now I have 10. Open up the software, and now I have, see, all 10 here. With the weight over time, you can see how my scale fluctuates a little bit, but it's 100% fine. And that's how you save it. And if you close the program, it will no longer have a record of it. So make sure to save this, because what's going to happen if you every time you press manual log, it would override the previous one and delete it and create a new one. So just realize that. Once you realize that it's okay, then just make sure you have that saved. But that's how you have the Excel feature on here. And if you're trying to print, the print button, well, this is specifically for the text file, but we can make it work for an Excel file to say which file it's selected to, because you see currently XLSX is the current format that we use to save to Excel, and that's the most common reason you can just open up Excel very easily. But anyways, that's how the feature works.